Experiencing Uconnect issues in your Jeep Grand Wagoneer? Let's clarify the reset options. A reboot, or soft reset, is a quick restart that clears temporary memory without deleting your data. It's best for minor issues like app lag. To perform a reboot, turn the ignition to the on-run position without starting the engine. Then, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This can take 1 to 2 minutes. A factory reset, or hard reset, restores the system to its original settings, erasing all user data like saved destinations and app preferences. Use this for persistent problems like repeated freezes. To perform a factory reset, access the Uconnect settings menu, Apps, Settings, System, Reset, Factory Reset. You'll need to enter a confirmation code from your owner's manual. Always perform resets while parked to avoid distractions. What if your Uconnect screen is completely frozen? Try a hard reset method. With the vehicle off, press and hold the volume and tuner knob buttons while turning the ignition to the on-run position. Hold until the screen flashes, about 30 seconds. This is detailed in your owner's manual. Before attempting any reset, check for over-the-air updates via the Uconnect menu. Outdated software is a leading cause of problems, and Stellantis has rolled out updates like Uconnect 5.1 with stability patches and bug fixes. These updates are often delivered wirelessly. Also, the Jeep app can allow remote reboots and diagnostics. Remember, resets are a last resort after checking for updates, as they may erase custom settings. If issues persist after resets, consult a dealership for hardware checks.